and I know there's gonna be a big one hit before we get back. Like that right there! Dude! Stay on there, stay on there, stay on there. Yes!
Man, you got a target right there.
Woo! Ow, he hooked me again. Oh, that's a good bass. GoPro's on, I think. Oh yeah. Good thing I didn't quit fishing when I got a, just cause I flipped my kayak and got a hook still in my finger. Did I give up? No. I've missed 2 or 3 about this size. That's a pretty looking fish. Holy cow. This is a big fish. Oh, we're about to fall in. Okay, that one earlier I said was a big fish, I lied. This right here. Oh yes, yes, yes. Dude, it's a good fish. Wow. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Get out of there. Look at that, dude. Holy cow. I've been fishing this little section here for 15 minutes probably. Caught one fish like about 5 minutes ago. Just kept throwing around those logs over there, trying to get a cast over there. Man, that guy, that's a big fish no matter where you catch it, but out of this creek that goes through town, that is awesome. Oh, I got one. Felt a barely, oh, nice bass. I barely felt the tug and I had him on there. Oh, goodness. That was a good bass. It came off. Man, that was a good one. Dude. Dude, the mosquitoes are so bad. I'm literally about ready to quit, but man, I'm gonna push on for you. Oh, yes! Where did that dude come from? I was looking over here. Hopefully this guy don't come off. Get over here. Get over here. Goodness! That's a monster. Oh, hold on. Oh my. Oh, wow. Yes, boom. That's what I want. Stay on, stay on. Oh my, holy moly. Yes, yes, yes. Biggest smallmouth I've ever caught. Stay on there, stay on there. And I caught it on the Nico Helgramite. Just put it on there. Dude, this is awesome. There's another one, little one behind it. Yes, 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 come on. Oh yeah. Yes, I've been wanting one of these. Dude, it's a good thing I didn't give up. Man, I only got 6 pound line on here, so I don't really want to yank it in. But this guy is fighting. Last year I caught a 1.5 pounds or so. I think this one's 2 pounder. Man, I had no idea this dude was over here. I've been fishing the same area for like 45 minutes probably. Second cast on the Helgramite, had it weightless, just jerking it across. Make sure I got the camera on. Oh man, this dude is good. This dude. Oh, come here. Oh man. This kind of bass I've been wanting to catch for a while. I don't want to hook myself. Oh man, that dude's a 3 pounder. Barely. Come on. Ooh. Little bluegill head. Got him. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. goodness. Oh man. Hold on there. Big old blue. Holy cow. Wait. Let's see this thing. Ow! Ow! Oh, they broke it off right at the end. Oh my goodness. A giant fish just came out. But something huge just came and hit this. There it is. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. No way. Do not spit that out. Do not spit that out. Dude. Oh! That was a monster. Well, here we are. Got some deep fried fish, just waiting to try it out. I'm not sure how long I cooked it in there, kind of just cooked it for a little while. I don't know how long it's supposed to take. So if this stuff makes me sick, and I'm probably never doing this again. All right, first bite. Here's one. Oh man, dude, that's a Coosa bass, but that right there may be my biggest one. No, he's probably not, but he is chunky, and that's a really good size one. That's a really nice Coosa bass. He came out from under the log. There's fish everywhere down here. The water's super clear, the Conestoga River, and there's a lot of Coosa bass in here, which I really like. That is a good size one to catch. So I'm gonna position myself and wait for them to come to the top of the water. Just real slowly. I haven't done this in 25 years. I'm gonna call this the dip and rip method. I'm gonna wait till I see some that I want, and I'm just gonna dip and rip through. Oh yes! We got 5 or 6 of them. Nice little ones right there. For the thing to just pull off with it, or just keep pecking on it. Oh! Whoa! Dude, this is a good fish. First fish. I've been here 5 minutes. What? My drag set real loose, first off. Dude, this is a good fish. What is this? First bite I've got. Oh my goodness, look at that drum. Oh! Dude, that is awesome. I did not expect this thing. That's crazy. Oh, drum are so weird, but got him right in the lip. Yeah, how'd you like to catch that? Oh, yeah. That's better. That ain't no little bitty one. Get over here. Oh, he's got me stuck. He went straight to the bank. Dude, where did he go? Holy moly. What? No way. Check. Oh my goodness. What? I've never seen a fish like this. Get over here. Look at the size of that thing. Holy cow. What? That is a giant. I can't even see my hand on the other side of it. I've got it. What is it? Is that a trout? Whoa, this thing's strong. That's a trout. I thought it was a catfish out there. Wow, it's a trout. Monster. Man, I cannot get a hold of this thing. Look at this. This trout on the spinner. My PB rainbow trout. I was not expecting that. I missed it on the Rapala. And I kept seeing it follow. I was like, what is that? I couldn't tell what it was. Look at that. That is awesome. I did not expect to catch that, especially on my spinnerbait. You never know what you're going to catch. You just go out there and do some fishing. That is a nice trout. Let's get him back in the water. Man, that guy was strong.